All right. Good morning. I know there's going to be some people still joining our class. Remember, 9:30 in the morning. 9:30, not 10. 9:30. Please, 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 look at the email I sent last night. Look at the email I sent this morning. Practice logging on to NWEA so you know how to get to it. When we log on, you ought to be able, after I call roll, to log in and wait for me to confirm your test. Okay? If you have trouble today, Mr. Romaine, who is the computer person at our school, I've given you his Zoom meeting that he's in, and he's staying in that all day. So after you get off this class, I want you to try it. If it doesn't work, and nothing that I've given you works. Now, when I say that, I've given you a PowerPoint on how to log in. I've given you a YouTube video on how to log in. I've given you notes from Mr. Romaine of how to log in, okay? The PowerPoint is attached. Some of the notes from Mr. Romaine are attached. Sometimes you'll have to change the resolution on your computer to make it work right if you're using your home computer. If you're using an iPad, you have to do something different. All right, so make sure you're reading through that email and you know exactly how to get on NWEA. All right? What do you need, Delian?
About the NWEA, the step one is very confusing because my mom does not know English.
Step one is to enter the website address.
But my mom doesn't know any.
You do.
Well, yeah, but I don't know how to,
Go to the PowerPoint, open the PowerPoint, and go step by step. Okay. I need you to practice today. If you have problems today, email me. If I can't answer them, I'm going to tell you to talk to Mr. Romaine. Okay? Because 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning is not the time to tell me, I don't know how to do this. Please mute your mics. You got the email last night. You got an email this morning. I'll email the exact same thing out again this afternoon. And I will, when we get on at 9:30 in the morning, I'm going to check roll. And then I'm going to tell you to go ahead and log in. And at 10:15, I will confirm everybody that's ready to test. If you're not ready to test at 10:15, if you're not in for me to confirm, you're going to be getting a phone call, not from me, from the office, asking you where you are. Okay? So please practice tonight. All right, Salvador, did you ever come in? Salvador? Dejan? Dejan? Sofia Pinero? Sofia Pinero? Daniela? Daniela? Ramel? Ramel? Angelo? Angelo? Christopher? Christopher? Emmanuel? Emmanuel? Asia? Asia? All right. All right, guys. Let's look at our math for today. Yes, Nevaeh, if you can get a hold of her. All right. For science today, you will just log back into respiratory system. You can watch it again, and then you'll take the graded quiz. You do not need to send it to me. It'll automatically send me your scores the way I have it set up now. Okay? All right, let's look at our math. Let's look at page 641. 641. What, Miliani?
Blackmon, what did you say again? Because it's very confusing.
About what?
About what you said for science.
Log into Brain Pop, go to respiratory system, and take the graded quiz. Nevaeh, I sent it this morning. Ask her if I need to send it again. Miliani, you have another question?
What did you say again? I couldn't hear you.
Do you have another question?
No, the other thing.
Log into Brain Pop, go to respiratory system, and take the graded quiz.
Do we send it to you?
No, it'll automatically send me the scores.
How?
Because I've got it set up so it will. All right, hold on. Let me resend this link again. All right, Nevaeh, tell her I just sent it again. All right, so look at page 641. Look at page 641. We are comparing decimals, okay? We are comparing decimals. This is very simple if you do one thing. Add a $sign to the beginning of each number. Add a $sign to the beginning of each number. So look at number 2. Number 2, you have 0.70, and on the other side you have 0.57. If I add a $sign to the beginning of each of those, which one is my smaller?
Can you ask the question again?
Yes, which one is smaller?
The 57 cents.
Yep, 57 cents is smaller than 70 cents. We're on page 641. Number 3, it says 0.41 and 0.14. Put a $sign in front of both of them. Which one's bigger? Which one's bigger?
41.
41. 41 is bigger. Number 4, you have 6.28 and you have 7.31. Put a $sign in front of it. Which one's bigger? 7.31. Okay, the next one you have 1.1 and you have 1.10. Which one's bigger?
1.10.
Look at it again. These are equal. Because this is $1.10, this is $1.10. You can add as many zeros as you want to the end. It doesn't change the value of 1.1. All right, I would like you to try 6 through 14. 6 through 14. Put a $sign in front of them and do them. 6 through 14. Six through 14. Good morning, Christopher. Christopher? Thank you, Christopher. All right, did Emmanuel come in? Emmanuel? Asia? Emmanuel or Asia? Salvador? Dejan? Sophia Pinedo? Daniela? Or Ramel? For those of you that just joined us, please make sure that you try to log into NWEA today. Get everything worked out. I've sent 2 emails, one last night, one this morning. It has the PowerPoint presentation already attached to it on how to log in. It also has some of the problems that you might encounter attached with a Word document. Make sure you look through all of it. Make sure you know how to get in. You will get a link this afternoon for the class. It'll start at 9:30 in the morning. 9:30. 9:30.
No, never mind.
Nevaeh, I sent the link again. I don't know why she's not getting it. Let me look at something.
Miss Blackman, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm gonna tell the link to Asia because she does not get in the link, and I don't know if she has it or not.
Okay, I'm trying to send her another one. Give me a minute.
Okay. Miss Blackman, I have a question of the homework of Monday.
Okay, you're going to have to wait a minute. Nevaeh, I just sent her another one. See if she gets that one. All right. Let's look at number 6. Number 6 was 0.01 and 0.1. I put my dollar sign in front. Which one is bigger?
0.01.
Nope.
They're equal.
Nope. This is 1 penny. This is 10 cents. Which one's bigger?
10 cents.
10 cents.
Miss Blackmon, what page is that?
461. 461. Good morning, Salvador.
Good morning.
Good morning, Asia.
Good morning.
All right, number 7. You had 0.31. And you have 0.29. Put your dollar sign in front of them. Which one's bigger?
0.31.
Yep, 31 cents is bigger. Please mute your mics. Number 8, you have 0.44 and you have 0.22. Put your dollar sign in front of it. Which one's bigger?
0.4.
Yep, 0.44. If you've just joined us, we're on page 641. 641. All right, number 9. You had a dollar sign, 0.1, and you had a dollar sign, 0.10. Which one's bigger?
They're equal.
They're equal. Number 10, they gave you the dollar sign. You have $2.98 and $2.56. Which one's bigger? $2.98. Number 11, you had 7.01 and you had 7.1. Put my dollar sign in front. Which one's bigger?
7.01.
Nope, that's 7 and a penny. This one is $7 and 1 penny. This one's $7.10. 7.1 is bigger. Okay. Number 12, you have 0.08 and you have 0.7. Which one's bigger? 0.7. Number 13, you have 3.40 and you have 3.4. Which one's bigger?
3.4. Equal.
They're equal. Number 14, you have $21.50 and $20.99. Which one's bigger? $21.50. All right, I want you to go ahead and do 15 through 20. Pick your own number. Pick your own number. Again, for those of you just joining us, last night I sent an email about NWEA testing, how to log on, problems that they've had. I sent another one this morning with more problems they've had and how to fix those problems. You need to practice logging into NWEA today. Make sure you know how to get on it. Because tomorrow, I don't want all these, well, I don't know how to do this and I don't know how to do that. Okay, so make sure you practice. You can practice all the way up to session name and password. You will not get that till in the morning. So session name and password, all the way up to that.
Now you can hear me?
Yes. Dejan, are you on? Dejan. Sophia Pinedo. Sophia Pinedo. Daniela. Daniela. Joshua, please don't do that. Ramel, are you on? Ramel. Emmanuel. All right. All right. So, number 15. A number that is smaller than 0.23 can be any, can be 0.16, 0.21, 0.2. Yep, all the answers I'm seeing look good. All right, a number that is equal to 8.60. What is equal to 8.6? Very good. Number 14, what is bigger than $4.42? 8. Okay, 4.59, 5.42, 4.50, anything that's bigger. All right, number 16, what is less than $13.20? 12.2, 12.4, 8.7, 13.1. Any of those are definitely smaller. All right, number 19, bigger than 5.2. 5.2, what is bigger than that? 5.6, 7.2. 6.2. 5.8. All right, number 20. What is equal to 6.21? 6.21, yep. 6.21 is equal to 6.21. 6.21 is equal to 6.21.
I thought it was 6.2. Is that correct?
No, that's $6.20 is not equal to $6.21.
Oh.
Yes, Emma, 6.210 could also be correct. All right, Sophia Pinedo, are you on? Sophia Pinedo.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, so let's look at our homework on page 643. 643. 643. Okay, don't forget to put your $sign in front of them to see which is bigger and which is smaller. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, I have 0.37 and I have 0.77. I put my $sign in front of them. Which one is bigger?
0.77.
Yep, 77 cents is definitely bigger than 37 cents. Number 2, I've got $2.40, because remember I'm putting a $sign in front of it to make it easy for me. Or I've got $2.50. Which one's bigger? $2.50. Yeah, after the 5 you can put a 0. All right, I want you to do 3 through 11. 3 through 11. 3 through 11. Sophia Pinedo, just so you know, you're going to get an invite later on for class starting at 9:30 in the morning. You need to make sure that you look at all the emails and make sure that you practice on how to get on to NWEA before morning. So if we have any problems, we can get them fixed today.
Okay.
Thank you. If anybody has Deja, Daniela, or Ramel's number, please let them know. Or Emmanuel's number, please let him know. Thank you, Veronica. Oh, there's Daniela coming in now. Daniela, we're working on page 643. 643.
Okay.
And Daniela, just so you know, tomorrow you're going to get a link in a little bit telling you that you have to be on at 9:30 in the morning. Check your emails. I sent Mom an email last night and this morning about login. Practice logging in. Again, practice all the way up to the session name and password. You will get those in the morning.
Okay.
Asia, add a $sign to the beginning of each one and tell me which one's bigger. So look at number 3. If I put a $sign in front of the 0.6 and a $sign in front of the 0.55, which one's bigger? The 6 or the 5.55?
5.55.
No, because that's 55 cents. The 6 is 60 cents. So would you rather have 60 cents or 55 cents? All right, let's move to number 4.
Miss Blackmon, I finished.
Okay, we're moving to number 4. I have 0.2 and I have 0.20. I put a $sign in front of both of them. Which one is bigger?
It's the same.
They're the same. They're equal. They're equal. Number 5, I've got a $sign and 0.68. I got a $sign and 0.59. Which one is bigger?
0.65.
Yep.
0.05. Wait, which one are you on?
I'm on number 5.
Oh, 0.68.
Yep. I know it doesn't show $signs in your book on all these, but if you put a $sign in front of it, you'll be able to see which one's bigger. All right, number 6. It does have a $sign. It's $10.45 or $10.54. Which one's bigger? Yep, $10.54.
Let's go.
Number 7 is 0.99 and 1.0. Which one's bigger?
0.99.
No, that's 99 cents. This is a $1. Yep.
They're equal.
No, they're not. 99 cents does not equal $1.
Oh. 100 cents equals $1.
Right.
1.0.
Yep. All right, number 8. I've got 0.05 and I've got 0.04. Which one's bigger?
0.05.
Yep, 0.05. I would rather have a nickel than 4 pennies. Number 9. I've got 4.1 and I've got 4.10. Put my dollar sign. Equal. Number 10. I've got 6.44 and I've got 6.4. Yep, 6.44 is bigger. And number 11. I've got 0.93 and I've got 0.39. Which one's bigger? 0.93. All right, do 12 through 20. 12 through 20. Okay, Dejan, did you ever come on? Ramel, did you ever come on? Or Emmanuel? All right. All right, give me a number that's bigger than $1.45. $1.46. 2.1, 2.25. Yep, anything that's bigger than 1.45 works. What is equal to 7.8? 7.80. What is bigger than 4.42? 4.47, 4.50, 7.8. Anything that's bigger.
5.42.
Yep, 5.42. What is less than 2920?
4.20.
Yep.
28.20.
Yep. 29.1. Any of those. Okay, what is bigger than 8.99? 8.99. 9.99. 9.50. Emma, no, 8.0 is not bigger than 8.99.
10.99.
Yep, 10.99. All right, what is equal to 13.41? 13.41. 13.41. Yes, Emma, that is correct. All right, number 18. What is less than $22.18? 22.19. 22.20. 23.18. 23.5. Any of those work. Okay, what is bigger than $3.49? $4.48. $4. $3.50. 3.49. Any of that works. And number 20. What is less than $9.40? $9. 8.4. 6.2. Anything that's less.
1.2.
No, Nevaeh. All right. Again, you've done math. You're completely done with math for the day. You're going to watch the video on respiratory system on Brain Pop and do the graded quiz. You do not need to send me a picture. I get the pictures automatically now. So you do not need to send me a picture. Hold on. Let me finish. Tomorrow, make sure you practice on getting on NWEA. You really need to know how to do that. Make sure you practice on getting on NWEA. Miss Kionis asked me to remind you that you need to be doing your iReady ELA diagnostic if you didn't finish it. So if you didn't finish your test with her, you get on iReady and you finish that test. When you finish that test, you can either do Lexia or you can do iReady. All right? So do science, finish your iReady test, make sure you know how to get on to NWEA, and then you can do iReady or Lexia if you have time. All right? Hold on. I've got people that have their hands raised. Deli Ann, what's your question?
About the award ceremony, what time do we have to be on?
I don't know what time Miss Kiona's put for her class.
Well, on the email it says 1 to 2.
1 to 2 for Miss Kiona's class.
It says to be on the award ceremony at 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Okay. So at 1 o'clock, Deli Ann. Any other questions before we go? Jasmine?
Hold on.
Hold on. I've got somebody with their hand up. Jasmine, what's your question?
Do we have any homework? I know we have to do science, but like any homework.
That's it. Just do the science and it'll come to me automatically.
Okay.
Guys, remember to hit the little hand if you want me to answer a question. Louisiana, what's your question?
Do we have ELA?
No. You go on to iReady and finish your test. If you finished your test, then you do either iReady or Lexia, but you need to do the science first. Maria, what's your question?
You know the homework that you said for Monday that's about the COVID-19? Do we have to send you a picture of
No. No. Deli Ann, what's your question?
For the award ceremony, there's no link.
I can't answer that. She has to do it. I can't do that. You're going to have to email her. Anna Paula, what's your question?
Do we have homework?
Just science.
Okay.
Emma, what's your question?
Do we at least see you at the award ceremony at 1?
No, you won't see me. I have my own award ceremony with my class at 1. Luciana, what's your question?
That ceremony at 1? I don't get that.
It's an award ceremony. Just like you get your end of the year awards at school, you're going to get them on computer this year. All right. If you don't have any other questions, I will see you tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. Please be on at 9:30 in the morning. I will send the link this afternoon. Bye.
Okay, bye, Miss Black.
Bye.